Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a payment on your Allstate Insurance account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and make a payment for this month's insurance on your car. How do you actually go ahead and make a payment on your Allstate Insurance account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Allstate account. Now, once you're logged on, you're going to see this drop-down menu that says Payments. Go ahead and click on that. And then next, click on Make a Payment. Now, depending on whether or not you have auto pay set up in your Allstate account, you should see the option to actually go ahead and set up a payment on this page here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make a payment on your Allstate Insurance account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.